welcome. Today we're going to show you how to download a Firebase Studio project. So when you open Firebase Studio project.google.com, I'll see from here. So you can open it by searching for it on Google. I'll see from here. You can just search Firebase Studio and you can open it from here. And after that, you can just make your project by clicking on Get Started. After that, if you want to download the project that the AI helped you to do, you can just click on Switch to Code. So from here, you will find the source code from here. You can just click on the source code and you can right click on it. Hit on Allow from here. And now you can just hit on Download. So that's the ideal way to actually download any files from here. So if you have docs files, you can just right click on it, hit on download, and it will be downloaded. Also, you can click on zip and download. So as see from here, it has been archived and I can just download it from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.